I want to talk to you serious this evening because we're getting into a serious time. We are getting into the time when a decision has to be made. A decision that will impact the future not only of Central St. James, but also the future of Jamaica. And I want you to take it serious. So I talk about this particular constituency of Central St. James. You have a choice that has to be made. You have a member of parliament in Eli Clark, and you have such lady who put up herself from the other side, believing that she can be better than your member of parliament. So that is one choice that Central St. James has to make. And when I look on the two and would have to make a decision, there is no other choice that you can make than Eli Clark as your member of parliament. And I want to tell you why I say